In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications in Slack. Whether you're trying to focus on a project or just need some uninterrupted time, knowing how to pause notifications can be a lifesaver. Let's dive right into it and help you manage your notifications better. First, you'll want to navigate to your Slack workspace and head over to your desired channel. This sets the stage for pausing notifications specifically for the environment where you need some quiet time. Channels in Slack are where teams usually communicate, making it the most likely place notifications can become overwhelming. Once you're in your channel, look towards the top right area of the Slack interface for your profile icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu can be quite handy, offering you a range of personal settings and options you might want to explore later. However, for our purpose right now, our focus is on managing notifications. In the drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says Pause Notifications. Click on this. At this point, you can decide how long you want notifications to be paused, from a short time to an entire afternoon. It's a simple yet powerful feature that allows you to control when you're ready to re-engage with your team. Now, once you've selected to pause your notifications, it's easy to navigate back to Slack's homepage. Just go back to the main interface where you can see all your channels listed. This is where you generally start to get an overview of your workspace. Once you're back on the homepage, you might be interested in further customizing more Slack settings to better manage notifications or other preferences. You can do this by clicking on Slack How-Tos at the bottom of your channel list on the left sidebar. This section acts like a glossary for Slack, offering guidance on various features. If you want to enable desktop notifications for some channels, because maybe not all channels or direct messages are equally urgent for you, you'll need to select the channel. After choosing your preferred channel, navigate over to Preferences. This is the central hub for adjusting how Slack behaves for you, including notifications. In Preferences, look for Enable Desktop Notifications. Clicking this option allows you to manage the notifications you receive when you're away from the Slack app itself. These notifications can keep you updated on important messages while away from your workspace. Finally, don't forget to hit save once you've made your changes. It's crucial to save so that all these adjustments take effect immediately. And there you have it, you've learned how to effectively pause notifications in Slack, offering you greater control over your workspace interruptions. This technique is essential for maintaining productivity, so be sure to utilize it whenever necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a more focused work environment.